We need to obtain derivative of y with respect to x whenever y is given by square root of tangent of x plus square root of tangent of x, and this goes all the way up to infinity. So this is an infinite series, and we then need to find its derivative with respect to x. So let's begin with this particular infinite series, which can be also represented as y equals to square root of tangent of x. Now what we can do, we can consider this entire term and replace it with y, and it would mean exactly the same thing. So we'll square both sides to get y squared equals to tangent of x plus y. Transposing this y to the left hand side gives us y squared minus y equals to tangent of x. Now we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x to get derivative with respect to x of y squared minus derivative of y with respect to x equals to derivative with respect to x of tangent of x. The derivative of y squared using the power rule gives us 2y, but since we have an y here instead of an x, we'll need to use the chain rule, so we'll multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x minus derivative of y with respect to x equals to, now we have to find out derivative of the tangent function, and that's simply secant squared x, which means we now have 2y minus 1 multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x equals to secant squared x. So derivative of y with respect to x, this value will be equals to secant squared x divided by 2y minus 1. So this is the value of the derivative of the infinite series given by y with respect to x.